have some.
Oh, I like this. Oh, isn't he cute? Isn't he a cutie? Isn't she a cutie, Mama?
Yes, she is.
Oh, Reggie got one. She looks like flower. Which one do you want me to take? The one that looks like flower or this one?
Which one do you want?
I like both of them, but one of them has to be for Renji. Which one? Okay.
I'm pretty sure Renji lets you play with his.
Yeah, that one.
What else is in there?
Huh?
Let's see what else is in there.
Oh, my candy, my favorite. I really want two.
Show Renji how to work it. What else you got?
Ooh, candy.
Mm-hmm.
More candy. Puzzle.
Mm-hmm.
What is this? Calendar.
Looks like sticker books.
Oh yeah, sticker books. And 2 bubbles for me and Renji.
Oh, look at that. Somebody loves you. Who sent you a box?
Grandma.
What do you say to Grandma?
Huh? Thank you, Grandma.
You look at the camera and say thank you, Grandma?
Thank you, Grandma.
Do you like your stuff?
Yes.
It's pretty cool. All right, wave bye-bye. Renji.
Wait, hold on, one more.
That's cute.